Hi everyone, welcome to Secutech Taipei. This is a network update mode. So here we are showcasing our latest version Enterprise, NS Winners Enterprise. This is a subscription version of NS Winners, right? So you may know we have a NS Winner Pro, which is a virtual license model, and then Enterprise is for subscription model, right? So what's the difference? Let's say the Enterprise, the virtual software is more like a server and client, right? You install the package on the server, and the client can log into the server. For the Enterprise, it's more like client, cloud, and then the server. Cloud in between can do a lot to help your management and your. So here I'm showcasing the first item. Let's say NS map. So you don't need to put everything on the resource tree and manage it by the resource tree. Instead, you can put everything on the map, the icon, the sub-map, like your office or your store on the map, and then you just simply click the icon, and then the camera will pop up on the NS client. You just need to double click on the icon, and then the camera pop up to the NS client, right? And then if you have a sub-map, the same, you just click the sub-map, and then the sub-map, the floor plan will show up, and then you can click the camera on it and do the same as here, right? So let me jump to the next function, AI Manager. So AI Manager is, let's say, a plugin embedded inside NS Winners, right? You don't need to install anything. You just subscribe it, and then you can use it, all right? So this is a function that we embedded some AI inside. So you can use the AI function immediately. Let's say you have a 100 camera, and then you subscribe 5 AI Manager, and then you can choose 5 camera to run the AI Manager. And what's embedded, we have an AT object recognition inside, all right? So basically, you can do something like that. On the live view, you see the camera start to recognize some object, right? And then we have an advanced object search, right? So you just come to the advanced object search page, choose the icon, choose the object, and then you can find the video, all right? So it's the easiest way for you to find the footage, like object search, right? And then the third is share link, bookmark link share, right? So before, if you want to export the video to your customer, you need to go to the NS client, right? And then choose, let's say, 2 hours, and then right-click export video, right? It takes time, and then you need to deliver the file to your partner, to your customer. It takes time as well. Right now, you don't need to do that, right? You can just simply come to our platform, click on what you want to share, and then click share. And then you give a link to your customer. Your customer just pass it on the web browser, and then they got a video, right? Here, I just click on it, and then click share, and then this is the link. And you can put on the expiration date, like I want it to be expired, like in 1 hour, in 1 day, or a month, will never expire, all right? And also, if you are afraid of the leakout, you can put a password as well, all right? And then eventually, you get the link, you just copy the link, and then you just deliver to your customer the link, and then the customer can just pass it, on the browser, and then boom, they got a video, all right? They just click play, and then when you click play, the stream immediately from the server stream up to the client. So your server becomes something like a YouTube server, right? Or let's say something like a Google Drive. You don't need to give the file, but give the link, all right? For you to easier manage your system, all right? So this is the NS Winners Enterprise. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.